Hey everybody, let's open some packs. I'm going to try to go a little bit faster through the base cards this time since this is my third and fourth box. So, I guess since these have been out a while, most of y'all have seen the base cards anyway, so probably don't need to spend too much time on them. I like looking through them, but I know a lot of you just open this stuff for the hits, which is cool. So, try not to waste as much time with the base cards. I've really been enjoying this set. There's that one big misprint in there with the Asajj Ventress, but other than that, I don't know, shiny stuff, you know, everybody loves shiny stuff, including me. Well, I guess not everybody, but I'd say a lot of people do. Probably even the majority. I don't know what it is about human nature. We just gravitate towards that kind of stuff. That's what they bank on. That's why they make the big bucks. Alrighty, let's get into this. Camera's a little shaky there. Sorry about that. I'm on the table so much. Maybe that'll fix it. Let's see. Mayfield Refractor. I don't even think I have a Mayfield yet, so that's cool. Oh, Varmic, purple Varmic. Signature I don't have. It's 287 out of 299. I'm gonna go ahead and sleeve that up. Put it in a top loader. Actually, I put my my signatures in magnetics, so I'll do that later and just put it in a top loader for now. Huh, just a regular base pack. Happens sometimes. Maybe that last one had a refractor in it. Oh, it did. So that's why. Zori Refractor. Aura Jareni. High Republic concept art. Refractors now. Omega, I finally know who that is now because I watched Bad Batch. Yay! I finally got the Luke card. I don't think I have it yet. Mandalorian insert. I finally know who that is too, Sid. That was a pretty good show. I was very happy with it, actually. Also been watching Resistance, and that's quite the opposite. I can barely get through it. I still haven't gotten through it. I'm on season 2. There's Sid. Bad Batch insert. Yeah, Resistance is rough. I don't know whether it's just because they made it more for kids or what, but yeah, it's a rough one. Actually, I know it's a really easy card to get, but I wouldn't mind getting a Lyra Urso autograph. I know people are like, oh, Lyra Urso is all we ever get. But, I mean, that's one I actually haven't gotten out of, well, this will be the third hobby box. So, I know some people open up a lot more, but chances of getting them are pretty good, apparently. Of course, I'd much rather have one of the high-end autographs, but, you know. Count on that and you will be disappointed. Don't count on it and you'll be extremely happy. That's a very rare thing. Higher Public Concept Art, Jam Jamorum. Refractor, Watto Refractor. I don't know if I'll buy any more boxes of these. I'm also trying to complete the Spider-Man metal set. So I think after this, I'm probably going to be working on completing that one. And then I heard Star Wars Galaxy Chrome is coming out soon, so then I'll probably start working on that one. But yeah, I think if I need to get some singles to complete this set, I will, from especially of the inserts, then I will. But yeah, I pretty much done with it. I should have a complete set after these two, I would think. But if not, I'll probably just get the singles. But I've really been enjoying the set. I haven't too much complaining to do about it. Bad Batch. Insert. Crosshair 130 of 150. Nice. Let's leave that one up. Omega. Bad Patch insert. Oh, I already have this one, but I've got the base one. But come on, Security Officer. 38 of 299. Security Officer. They should only put named characters in these things. I mean, come on. Really? Okay, so this box, yeah, not the best, not the worst. At least I wasn't missing a hit or something. So that's why I'm happy to have another hobby box here. So let's get into the first mini box of this one. If you don't have a knife, always have a good knife. You will be surprised how many times it comes in handy, especially when opening card boxes. But I mean, actually really with everything. But keep it hidden from your children, because they're sharp. Fin Refractor. If I miss catching some refractors, I apologize. Sometimes I don't pay as much of attention to that when I'm shooting the videos, but I do find them afterwards. I'm sure I probably missed a few. I apologize for that. Another Luke. I can probably sell duplicate Lukes, I would think. Oh, this is a double pack too. Book of Boba Fett. I heard you can get signatures, so potentially you can get like more than one signature in a box. But yeah, that's cool. Because you could get like Mandalorian signatures as well as your regular hit signature. Cassian. That's a great show for anybody who hasn't watched it. At least I think so. I think a lot of people agree with it. It's a little slow. It's made more for adults, but good show, I think. Rogue One was certainly one of the best movies Disney's done. Whether you like the sequels or not, I think it's almost unanimous that Rogue One's a great movie. They should probably take that into consideration when doing more movies. Ochia Bestoon. Also another character I'm not ecstatic about, but he's alright. 8 of 150. Low number. That's nice. Last pack of this one. Oh, come on. Third security officer signature I got. Yuck. I'm sure you had fun being in this movie. I'm sure you enjoyed getting paid for it and acting in a Star Wars movie, but not the best card to get. But it's a signature. I guess I can sell it. Not for much, but well, great. So I got 2 security officer signatures out of 4 signatures. What you gonna do? Oh wait, I still have 2 more packs out of this one to open. I noticed I did that in my Spider-Man metal. I forgot to open a pack in the video. But gotta be careful about that. Ooh, Kara Refractor. Quill. That's a good character. I like him. Okay, one more. Let's hope for a decent autograph. Decent something. Can't win them all though. Just be happy to finish my base set at least, if nothing else. Move on to the next thing. Next card set. No refractors. Okay, dud pack. But usually they make up for it. Scare. I haven't done any of the that old Republic or High Republic stuff. I haven't read any of the books or comics or anything. Hopefully I'm hoping they'll do a show or something similar to the old Republic, but not quite as far back. Fennec Shan Refractor. I think I already have one of those. I'll do a summary at the end of this. I don't think I did it on my other ones. But it was only 1 box on the other ones too. This is 2, so I might like a recap. You guys might like a recap. Bo-Katan. That's a signature I would love to have, but I don't think she did signatures in this. She did them in the other set that recently came out. The Mando Chrome. I might get that just for a Bo-Katan signature. Because I love Katie Sackhoff, especially in Battlestar Galactica. It's my favorite show ever. The new Battlestar Galactica. Or I guess it's not new anymore, but it's newer than the old one, of course. Saw Gerrera. Okay, where's my signature, guys? Don't make me fill out a missing hit form. Lyra Urso. Okay, good. I know people are like, oh, yeah, Lyra Urso, but I figured out of all the packs I've opened, I should probably get one, considering how many other people I've seen open them and get one. So at least she's a main character somewhat. I mean, not main character, secondary character, I guess, but So, okay, nothing huge, but you know, at least I got one I was expecting to get eventually. Okay, so let's do a small recap here. I don't even think I got any numbered ones in that last one, which I guess you're not guaranteed, but... Okay, so anyway, I got Ochia Bastoon, 8 of 150. Crosshair, 130 of 150, both blue. I guess some of the signatures are numbered. Maybe they count. I know you're not guaranteed just to guarantee the autographs, but Lyra Urso, signature. Security officer, signature. Great. I've already got another one of these. So I have 3 of their signatures now. Wow, wonderful. Okay. 38 of 299, purple security officer, and Varmic. Who was Varmic? I don't remember what he was in. I can't even remember. Was he in the original? No, he was in The Force Awakens. Yeah, I kind of remember him now. So that's kind of cool. Kind of an homage to the werewolf in the unaltered original trilogy. So 287 to 299, Varmic. And I got some bad batch inserts, as always. Saw Gerrera. Omega. I should probably hold these closer. Vice Admiral Rampart and Sid. Skier. Lorna D. Jamdram. Orla Jareni. It's High Republic inserts. Let's see, Mandalorian inserts. Fennec Shan, I think I got 2 of those. Bo-Katan. Quill. Another Fennec Shan. I wonder why those would look different. Be nice if they were in autos. I bet some of these are autos, and they probably put the auto in here, and if it's not an auto, they just fill it in with that. That's probably what it is. Luke Skywalker, I think I got 2 of those, yep. And Axe Woes. And the refractors, again, if I miss some refractors, I apologize. Maz Katana, Fennec Shand, Kira, Cassian, Finn, Watto, Zori Pliz, and Mayfeld. So, and then I got all these base cards. Nice. I know some people don't even care about base, but I appreciate them. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Clocking it at almost 20 minutes here, so not too bad for 2 boxes. Yeah, so if you want to see more of this type of stuff, please follow me. Of course, I'll be opening more packs. Thought about opening some Magic the Gathering cards, because I do enjoy playing that. And probably be opening some Star Wars Galaxy Chrome. Maybe Mando Chrome, I'm not sure yet. And probably going to get a few more boxes, or blaster boxes of Spider-Man. metal. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Take care.